Good morning, students. See question number 9. Pass journal entries for the following. 2019 January 6th. First make a format and write here 2019 6th January. Purchase goods from Henry for rupees 50,000 on 10% trade discount and 4% cash discount and paid 60% amount by check. So entry will be purchases account debit to cash account to discount account to Henry. Cost price of goods is rupees 50,000. 10% trade discount. 10% of 50,000 is 5,000. This is the value of trade discount which you have to deduct from 50,000. 50,000 minus 5,000 is 45,000, which you have to write in front of purchases. Then 4% cash discount and paid 60% amount by check. So first you will calculate 60% value, 45,000 into 60 upon 100, and please remember cash discount always give on a cash payment. So 60% of 45,000 is 27,000. On this value you have to give 4% cash discount. 4% of this value is 1080. Discount amount is 1080. 27,000 minus 1080 is 25,920, and rest amount is your credit purchases, that is 18,000. How you will calculate 18,000? 45,000 minus 25,920 and minus 1080 is your remaining amount 18,000. Or directly you can calculate 45,000 into 40%. 60% is paid in cash by check. So instead of cash you have to write bank account, not cash account. Please rectify here. Instead of cash you have to write bank account because we are paying through check. And 40% is your credit purchases, that is 18,000. Narration write yourself. Next, January 15th. Bought goods from Amit for rupees 2 lakh at terms 5% cash discount and 20% trade discount. Paid 3/4 of the amount in cash at the time of purchase. So same again the same transaction here we will transfer. Purchases account debit to cash account to discount account to Amit. So here trade discount is 20%. First you deduct the trade discount. 2 lakh into 20 upon 100, that is 40,000. 2 lakh minus 40,000, 1,60,000. Here first we deduct the trade discount. After deducting 3/4, you have to calculate on this value which they are paying through cash. 1,60,000 into 3 upon 4 is equals to 1,20,000. On this value you have to calculate cash discount. 1,20,000 into 5 upon 100, that is 6,000. 6,000 is discount then the payment amount will be 1,20,000 minus discount value 1,14,000. Rest is your credit purchases. That is 3/4 is cash payment. That means 1/4 is credit. Directly you calculate 1,60,000 into 1/4, or 1,60,000 minus this value is 40,000 is your credit purchases. Next, 18th January. Sold goods to Shirpa at the list price of rupees 50,000 less 20% trade discount and 4% cash discount if the payment is made within 7 days. 75% payment is received by check on January 23rd. So here first we pass the entry which is related to 18th January, that is only for sale. Shirpa debit to sales account after deducting 20%. 50,000 into 20 upon 100 is 10,000. So 50,000 minus 10,000, 40,000 is your credit sale. Payment received on 23rd January, which is within a 7 days, because if she will pay within a 7 days, they will allow cash discount, and she is paying on 23rd. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So within 7 days she paid. So here she will get the discount. So entry will be cash account debit, discount account debit to Shirpa. 75% of this value you have to calculate. 40,000 into, because 75% only she is paying. So 40,000 into 75 upon 100 is 30,000. On this value you have to give discount, that is 4% discount you have to give on this value. 30,000 into 4 upon 100 is 1,200, and the remaining she is receiving 28,800. 30,000 minus 1,200, it is 28,800. Next, 25th January. Sold goods to Garima for rupees 1 lakh, allowed her 20% trade discount and 5% cash discount if the payment is made within 15 days. She paid 1/4 of the amount by check on February 5th and 60% of the remainder on February 15th in cash. So first we will pass the entry for credit sale. Garima debit to sales account. After deducting 20% trade discount, so 1 lakh minus 20% TD, that is 20,000. 1 lakh minus 20,000, 80,000 is credit sales, and if she pay within a 15 days, she will get discount at the rate of 5%. So she is paying on 5th February, that is within a 15 days. 1/4 amount is paying on 5th February. So you have to calculate 1/4 of rupees 80,000, that is 20,000 she is paying. Entry will be cash account debit, discount account debit. She will receive discount also because she is paying within a 15 days. 1/4 she is paying 80,000 into 1/4, that is 20,000, and 5% cash discount you have to give on this value, 20,000 into 5 upon 100 is 1,000. 19,000 she is paying. And 60% of the remainder on February 15th in cash. Remainder amount she is paying on 15th February, and the remainder she is not paying the full amount. 60% of the remainder she is paying. So first you find out the remainder amount. 80,000 minus 20,000, 60,000 is left. 60,000 into 60 upon 100. Remaining amount is 60,000, and she is paying 60% of 60,000, that is 60,000 into 60 upon 100, 36,000 she is paying. So entry will be cash account debit. Now she is paying after 15 days. So now she will not get the 4% or a 5% cash discount. Cash account debit to Garima, 36,000. In the last you have to put the total. That's all.